Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to add a pin inside a Pinterest board using the latest Pinterest app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can start organizing your favorite ideas, inspirations, and memories with ease. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where all your boards and saved pins are neatly stored, ready for to manage and customize. Now scroll through your boards and tap the one where you want to add a new pin. Maybe it's your dream home board, a travel inspiration board, or a collection of delicious recipes. Once you're inside the board, look for the plus pin button. This is your gateway to adding something new and personal. Tap plus pin and you'll be prompted to choose a photo. You can select an image from your device's gallery, snap a new photo, or even pick something you've found online. Once you've chosen the perfect image, tap Next to move forward. Now it's time to fill in the details. Give your pin a catchy title and add a description that tells the story or explains why it's special to you. If you have a website or a specific link you want people to visit, you can add that too. The more details you provide, the more engaging and useful your pin will be for others who discover it. When you're happy with everything, tap Create to finish. Your new pin will appear inside your chosen board, ready to inspire you and your followers. It's that simple. Adding pins to your Pinterest boards is a fantastic way to keep your ideas organized and share your creativity with the world. So go ahead, try it out, and watch your boards come to life with every new pin you add. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!